Good evening to all of you.
Telugu.
Good evening, Telugu చెప్పాలంటే it is somewhat difficult for me.
Wow.
Okay, right? Okay, good evening to all of you. And on behalf of all the 4th IT students, I really thank the 3rd IT students for arranging this program. Especially, I thank some of the students who really found it very tough to arrange this function, because for your kind information, this is for 4th IT students. For your kind information, you know or not, this program was okay, right? Telugu. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అరేంజ్ చేసింది 3rd IT స్టూడెంట్స్ అయినా సరే, ఈ మెయిన్ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ మాత్రం చేసింది ఓన్లీ a few people, not more than 10 students, and only those 10 students deserves these claps. Okay. And now the total strength of 4th IT and 3rd IT is around 110, to be fair enough, because 4th IT students are 62 in number and 3rd IT students are 55 if I am not wrong. So totally the total strength should be around 110. Now the present strength is not more than 60 if I am not wrong. Okay. So really I want to speak some words regarding the final year students. Especially these final year students, this final year batch is a very special for me, because you know the reason. Because this first of all I should thank Swarnandra for giving me opportunity to act as an HOD for a department, because this is the first time I was given in charge or head of the department for an department. And this is the first batch, the final year batch. This is the first batch, this is the first outgoing batch through KVR as an HOD. So I am really happy to say this, because this is the first batch for me as an head of the department. So definitely you will forget Swarnandra, you will forget KVR, you will forget everyone. I know that. I know, because everyone will say that, no sir, we won't forget Swarnandra, we won't forget our subjects, we won't forget our staff. At that time everybody will speak like that. But definitely you will forget everyone, I know. But I won't forget this batch, especially the final year batch. It don't mean that I will forget the 3rd year students. I won't forget the final year batch, because this is the first batch for me as an head of the department, right? And one more thing, especially this final year batch is very, very, very close to me, especially boys. Teja, boys. Right. And one more thing what I want to say for final year students as well as 3rd year students is, in most of the branches, not in most of the branches, in the entire college, not only in our college, in most of the colleges, to be strictly speaking, I am speaking about our college. In our college, what every section students are feeling is, the staff who are currently teaching the present semester subjects, for example, if you are doing your 2nd year first sem, they are thinking that those 6 staff members who are coming for those 6 subjects are the only staff members in the entire college. And when they go for 2nd year second sem, they are thinking that the staff members who are going for their 2nd year second sem subjects, they are the only staff members in the college. If they see those staff members in the corridor or in the staff room or anywhere, means in the college bus or anywhere, then only they will act and they will try to wish them, and they will ignore all the remaining staff members. Better you don't do that. For example, because whatever I speak, I am speaking the facts. I am speaking the facts because I have. I'm speaking the facts only because whatever I speak, nothing wrong in that or nothing lie in that. Everything is a fact. Every student in the college, they are doing the same, because one day for the current semester, for the current first year students, we have the college have given a day for celebrating Freshers Day, and second year students went to the first year classroom and they have interacted with the first years. In some sections, we have around 6 sections. In one section, something went wrong, and then there itself the first year faculty member who used to go for first years, he has sent that second year student from that first year student. Immediately that second year student came and complained to the higher authority, indicating that, sir, first year faculty insulted me. That student is second year student. That student is second year student. He called, to be fair enough, she complained to the higher authority, indicating that, sir, first year faculty insulted. So she came and told that, sir, first year faculty insulted me in front of the first year, in front of my juniors. So I really hurted, sir. You should call that faculty and you should tell him something and cheppunna. So, which is very unfortunate. And what I say is, this should not happen regarding the third years. Final years, definitely. This final year batch, I know that this final year batch, whenever after leaving the college, whenever they see any of their faculty, fortunately or unfortunately, I think definitely they will speak at least 1 or 2 words with that faculty. Of course, నేను మీకు మీరు నాకు కనిపించకపోవచ్చు, because everybody who is sitting here, all the final students, all the final students are the native of East and West, most probably. I am not the native of East and West, so I am the native of Prakasam district. So I used to stay there. You used to stay here or somewhere in Bangalore or Hyderabad or in metropolitan cities. So definitely నేను మీకు మీరు నాకు కనిపించే స్కోప్ ఉండదు ఖచ్చితంగా, రైట్? సో మీకు ఎవరైనా ఇక్కడ మన ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఎవరైనా కనిపిస్తే జస్ట్ 2 సార్లు, జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు కారిడార్లో వెళ్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఎవరో మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, సపోజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో మీకు చెప్పిన స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్ ఎవరైనా కనిపించారనుకోండి, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ చెప్తే యు ఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు లూజ్ ఎనీథింగ్, రైట్? ఓకే, దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు they will be satisfied in many ways, okay, because